What is going on, guys? It is Ivan, and this is the first video on my channel, and I thought what better way to kick off the channel than with a tutorial. Now this tutorial I think will be very beneficial to you guys. This video is going to teach you how to unlock any iPhone under 15 minutes. Now just a disclaimer, this is not a factory unlock, so if you do restore the phone or reset the phone, then it will go back to its original settings. You are able to update the phone, but you cannot restore or reset the phone. Now, I had this phone unlocked through a turbo SIM card. This phone was originally a Sprint phone, and this is my personal phone. However, after going to several shops and several websites on trying to find someone who could unlock it, I went ahead and purchased a turbo SIM card. So the first thing you're gonna want is a turbo SIM card. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this off, this plastic. Now, if you do want a SIM card, one of these turbo SIM cards, I am selling them. I have over 100 SIMs, and I am selling them for $12. So first, we're gonna go ahead and pop the SIM tray out of the iPhone 8 Plus. Now this phone is a Sprint iPhone, okay? So we're gonna pop it out. I'm gonna go ahead and pop out my T-Mobile SIM card from this one. All right. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is put the turbo in the SIM tray, just like that. Now there's a little, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little slit. Let me see if it focused, there we go. There's a little slit that should go behind the SIM tray. So once that's on there, then we're gonna go ahead and put the SIM card over. All right. And insert it into the phone. You may have difficulties inserting it, just make sure it's flush. There we go. Okay, so now this pops up. All right, so after that pops up, we're gonna go ahead and go to jpplte.com. All right, now the website is in Chinese, guys, but don't worry, just click this box, this red box, scroll down, and this is what we need, the ICCID number. All right, so the great thing about this turbo, it automatically asks us for the ICCID, so we're gonna go ahead and type that in, and that's going to be 8901 410 42. There we go, 427. Whoops. 022 598 9556. Send. Okay, great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hit accept. We are going to pop the SIM tray out. 1, 2, 3, and pop it back in. And then activation required. So we're going to go ahead and press and set the phone up like any other regular phone. So give me 1 second. Go ahead and enter my Wi-Fi password. All right, let's see. All right, it may take a few minutes to activate. Let's see. Sometimes it's quick. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes, but that is a great sign. You see T-Mobile on the top left-hand corner, and there you have it, guys. The phone is unlocked. How simple is that? So again, if you guys want a turbo SIM, you guys can go ahead and message me, or I will put my email below. You can email me and I will ship those turbos for you. They are $12 each, but again, it is a great method to get your phones unlocked, especially if it is Sprint. All right.